My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Nicky, your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so we back. All right, first, y'all had to excuse that noise. As you can see, that's my Pokeball right there. It is catching Pokemon for me right there, so I don't have to, like, you know, drive and catch or whatever like that. But anyway, it's been a while, a long hiatus. I can't remember the last time I did not only a sneaker video, but just a YouTube video in general, because I have been slacking on my content creation only because I haven't been feeling really creative. If I'm just being honest with you, I'm not really into shoes the way I used to be. I told myself I was just gonna buy shoes that I wanted and not buy everything, but there has been nothing that I want, and that's just me being honest with you. Like last month, August, I didn't buy a single shoe. This month it's looking like the same, but it is one shoe I do want. Is some all black Noctas. It was supposed to come out the 7th, like a couple days ago, but it got pushed back. You know, Noctas is that brand that like do a little collab with Drake. I'm trying to figure out if I should go down this side of the street. No, it's right there. Anyway, I think that's gonna be the only shoe that I get in the month of September. It was those pink 5s, those New York pink 5s that was a collab with somebody, but they were only with like boutiques. I don't even think they came out here. I think it was only in New York, I guess. So I didn't see them nowhere. So I kind of wanted those because I like 5s and it was pink, but didn't get those. So yeah, no content to do. Any creation or whatever. Like I said, creation. But I do have an early review. Oh, and the 4s, them little not army 4s, but they're like brownish 4s, which I do like a lot. And they are sitting on shelves. I had the chance to do an early review for those, but I just completely forgot. Because like when I don't do YouTube videos, I completely forget that I'm supposed to do YouTube videos, to be honest with you. So I could have actually did a review for those, but had them early and just forgot. It hit me late, like, damn, I could do a review for those. So they came out on Saturday, and I like those a lot. I probably will get those, but I'm just not in a rush to get anything. So, like, it is what it is. I do like the colors of those. I forgot what they call, but they like brownish. They came out Saturday. I don't know. I don't know what they call. I don't know, but I do like those. But yeah, early review. On my way to the spot, so I can give y'all this early review. Y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title and everything, so you know what it is. And we're gonna do the normal thing like we always do. I'm gonna stop and get some food. After I do give y'all this little early review for these with some detailed information about it, then I'm gonna get back to the house and give y'all some real information like the release date and the suggested retail price and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. And I miss doing this, so I did. Y'all miss me? All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Stay tuned. Okay, we back. We got this black Jordan box top lid with the red Jumpman in the center. This is not a detachable lid. You know, this is that simple, the one where it's like still attached. Air Jordan 5 retro OG white fire red black size 8.5. This is a personal pair, but spoiler alert, I will not be getting this shoe. Black tissue paper. Got cement print on the sides of the box right there. Let's get this out the way. Boom. All right, let's set this up one time for the one time. And without further ado, long overdue, we got the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red Black Tongue.
Boom. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red Black Tongue right there off the back. You see the 23 embroidered on the side. I do like that in red and black. Nike Air on the back, on the booty, on the heel. You feel me? Got that 3M tongue right there. This might be the thumbnail right here. 3M tongue, black, red. Got the lace lock right there with the white laces, white netting on the side. See the shark teeth on the midsole, translucent bottom right there with the Jumpman on the inner sole of that, or the inner of it. Icy translucent bottom, excuse me. White leather going through the shoe, white laces. I mean, it's a beautiful shoe, not gonna lie. Black right there. Got the red guts on the inside right there. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. I mean, but this is too close to the regular Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. So if you got that, you really don't need that to be to be honest. But I just want to give you a quick little look at this. It's not a long review. Let's go back to the house so I can give you some real details about the suggested retail price, the release date, and all that good stuff. So let's look at it a little bit more, and we're gonna go back to the house so I can give you all some real details. Hopefully I can get this straight. Let me see. Boom. Okay. All right. So just got back home. Hope y'all enjoyed that quick little review of the Air Jordan 5. Air Jordan 5 Fire Red Black Tongue. Like I said, back home, whatever like that. Sorry I had to do all this because Classic's not here and I'm the only one. I don't have my tripod. It's broke, whatever like that. Like I told y'all, I took a little break from this YouTube stuff. So I'm doing the best I can. Anyway, all right. Got some information like I always used to back in the day. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit, excuse me. It'll be up right next to me so you can read along with me. Hold on, let me get it started real quick. 3, 2, 1. Should be up right now. All right, Air Jordan 5 OG Fire Red Black Tongue returns September 2025. This is September 2025. It is my birth month. My birthday is in 2 weeks. So if y'all just want to give me something. Not I'm playing. Let me see. We don't get that part right. Yeah, okay. Official images of the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red has surfaced ahead of its September 13th release. That is this weekend, people. Pairs will retail for $210 USD for adults. $210. Ugh. Okay. All right. Origin story, or original story. The Air Jordan 5 Fire Red Black Tongue, a legendary original colorway, is making a much anticipated return in fall 2025. This release celebrates the model's 35th anniversary, bringing back a fan favorite design that holds a special place in basketball and sneaker history. The Air Jordan 5 features a timeless combination of white, black, and fire red. The upper is made from a premium white leather with a signature mesh netting on the side panels and the tongue. A bold black tongue, add contrast, creating a striking look against the white upper. Michael Jordan's iconic number 23 is embroidered in red, on the lateral heel, a subtle nod to his jersey. The heel showcases the Nike Air branding, giving the shoe a vintage touch true to its original roots. Fire red accents appearing on the midsole, lace lock, and sock liner add an even more nostalgia flair, finishing the design in a translucent outsole, staying true to original style. All right, I don't know why this ad keep on popping up. Sorry about that. Let me see. Air Jordan 5 Fire Red Black Tongue is set to release on September 13th, 2025. It's sent to Jordan Brown retailers online at Nike.com, priced at $210 USD. This release is sure to excite both longtime collectors and new fans alike. I feel like that is said in like every little description from these little websites when it comes to like explaining a shoe that's about to drop. Like, this is a timeless shoe that's going to connect old sneakerheads and new sneakerheads alike. I feel like it always says that. It's a great opportunity to own a piece of basketball history while enjoying the timeless style of the Air Jordan 5. Stay up to date, blah, blah, blah. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Here's some more images. Let me get another ad out the way. That's like the 5th one. Yes, some more images right there. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let me just stop that. All right, cool. So real quick, just make this quick. Am I getting the shoe? No. Do I think it's a nice shoe? Yes. I like Air Jordan 5s. It is in my top 3 favorite silhouettes of the Air Jordan. Number 1 for me is the Air Jordan 10s. I know, not a fan favorite of the Air Jordan 10 Chicago's is like my number 2 favorite shoe, which leads to my number 2 favorite silhouette, the Air Jordan 4s. They are my 2nd favorite silhouette, and that includes the Air Jordan white cements, which I did double up on, but I wound up getting rid of one pair because I just feel like the sneaker game is so diluted right now. It's so easy to get replacement shoes and not have to pay like an arm and a leg. Like I think they probably going for like $240, something like that, a little bit over retail. So I wasn't really worrying about that. And another reason why I'm not getting, which ends the list of my top 3 favorite silhouettes, is the Air Jordan 5. I do have my favorite silhouette of the Air Jordan 5, which is the Air Jordan Grapes that came out a few months earlier. I do have that review. Go check that out. I might leave it up there. I might not. Just go look for it. I just feel like it depends on what I feel like editing my video to add that might thing. I might add that in. I don't know. But not gonna cop it. Not saying it's a bad shoe. If you like it, I love it. I'm not buying shoes that I know I'm not gonna wear. I would pick up the camera and show y'all everything or whatever like that, but my collection of Jordans is at the lowest it has been since I started collecting shoes. I went from 500 plus to now I know I got, or Jordans I know I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got about 15 pairs of Jordans. And that was including this pair that I can't just wear this casual, a golf pair. So really 14 pairs. So I'm just gonna wear this when I finally go. I've never been golfing before, but I'm gonna wear this. But anyway, yeah, man. That's my review on the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red Black Tongue, which comes out this weekend. Let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. Again, I apologize if you do love my sneaker content. If I haven't been doing it, I just been doing other things, so I apologize. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tuna, your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks, even though I know you can't see it, and the whole Tune Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.